Hi y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with this lock pinned by Leon's Lockpad. It's my first one by Leon's Lockpad. It's called DeadSpool. Ha ha ha. And it's painted with Deadpool too. So I'm already into this thing like wrist deep. So let's see what we can do here. This is attempt number 2, or a continuation of attempt number 1. I have no idea what to do here. I'm in an impasse, man. I fucked it up again. So this is DeadSpool, and this is a ChallengeLock. Keep getting these really nice false sets with this thing, like you saw only moments ago. And then I don't know where to go from there. Looks like it should open, but it doesn't. And you can't get look, babe, I can't get this any further than right here. It won't go. DeadSpool. That's what you did, didn't it? DeadSpool. Spooling probably every one of these motherfuckers isn't out there, Leon. Spend my days working, spend my nights drinking, howling at the moon. I'm gonna be here forever. Baby, you'll be my. You know any better. You have a real nice life. 'Cause I'm what you wanted, you're what I needed, so let's meet in between. We're gonna be the greatest love story this world has ever seen. You know, it's really not that big of a false set, I guess. I feel like I had a bigger one, I suppose. And you should have seen the last lock I was trying to pick. I had a till in my hand. Motherfucker goes flying. There's a little bit better false set now. Okay, now what do? We do that and we got it. Yes. Sweet. Woo! Awesome sauce, man. Awesome sauce. Alright, let me move this crap out of the way here. Great. That is great. Attempt number 2 on that one. see what we got here. Do I have a tool? Okay. There we go. Shim this, because shimming is the way to be. Alright, and this is a 5-pin lock. So here's number 1, almost a little T-pinish. 2, standard. T-pin. Serrated. And standard. And up in the core here, it looks like we have threads on 1, 2, 4 and 5. Yep. Alright, and let's see what we got inside here. Really nice spool. Alright. Yeah, that's really nice. That's number 2. It's 3. 4. Oops. And number 5, and there's the spool, man. Sweet. And it looks like no modifications to the Bible. So let's do a super zoom here real quick. You can see here we have a standard. This is a, I thought it was a T-pin, but it looks like a small spool. Serrations on that guy. And we have a spool. This is a really nice cup. Serration. Serration. And the big bad spool. Nice, but I make spools like that too. They're awesome. This is DeadSpool. We're going to go ahead and I am going to do this. I'm going to take off the tape. On the key so you can see what the key looks like. And there is the key. What? Nice. Alright. This is pinned by Leon's Lockpad. Like I said, this is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock. So hands like sweat.